Both of you, in fact, I know that you've workshopped with women who work in financial institutions and they do not invest. The percentage of women who invest is so small. I know, actually, Minna, you told me you were in one of the big fours recently, and talking to very financially literate women who don't invest.
Yes, I think it goes even beyond investment, right? But it's about knowing yourself. And I think this is where it links very well to what Rick was talking about before, because the uniqueness of our approach at Flourish Financially is really the combination of flourishing and financially. So we want people to obviously learn, if possible, and feel comfortable that they can be resilient financially, but also to realize that they can thrive financially. And when we mean thrive, is not just reaching certain returns with the number. It's really about embodying personal development through the exploration of finances. And actually, this may look a bit counterintuitive. Many people don't think that money is a sexy topic. They have a lot of preconceived ideas that may be negative about what money does or what money is bringing to the world or to their life. And we're here to shift this a little bit in a different direction. However, it's true that at the moment, with the markets and etc., we thought for this spring segment of Flourish Financially, or the 4 seasons of Flourish Financially, that we would try to exchange perhaps on a few key principles that we found particularly helpful for people in terms of what first steps they can use to plant the seeds and start investing.
Well, we're all ears, because those with a little bit of pocket money, they might know that when things are crashing down hard, this is a good time to plant seeds, ironically enough. So what should we do? We want to know.
Yes, exactly. So, I mean, let me just start by saying this, that these kind of strong reactions in the market. So, I mean, you have been following the news, so I'm sure you have seen this with the tariffs. First, we had a very strong negative reaction with stock markets going down drastically, more than 10%. And then now, actually, the latest news, right, with the tariffs being delayed.
What a surprise. What a surprise.
Yes, exactly. And this type of turbulence is just undermining kind of the predictability, the stability that investors like to see. So I'm sure like this is not the end of it.